Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Namaste. I am Devashish Chaudhary from 11th Commerce St. Kabir School. Today I am here to present my views on the topic Unsung Heroes of India. United we stand and divided we fall. This proverb might have changed your ears many a times. But our country, our own country, India, has also experienced its unity and has also got divided many a times. In the pre-independence era, our country was ruled by the Britishers. In those times, people were asking the public of India to get united and fight against the Britishers in the freedom movement. But the response was not received. People like Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, Subhash Chandra Bose, these people were asking for the support of the public of India. But people were just staying indoors and response was not received. In present times, we are doing like that only, but we are doing in a different way. We are just staying out of our houses without any reason. Instead, we should stay indoors and cooperate with the doctors, policemen, and other government officials. This time, government has also told us to be at our homes during this pandemic situation, but we are just going out of our houses without any reason. I mean to say is that your health is the thing that is most important point of concern for the people of your family and many people others. So we should think about going outside and avoid it and stay at our homes by cooperating with the doctors. Doctors are the only ones on whom we are reliable in this pandemic situation. There is a problem in the public of India that we have not supported the people who had fought for us and are fighting for us in this pandemic. But it's time, so we should fight and with the cooperation of these doctors and policemen. We should cooperate these doctors by staying at our homes and not going outside. So I just want to say is that these hard times are like a test for us. We all to pass this test have to cooperate with the doctors and stay at our homes. By doing this, we are just saving ourselves from getting infected with this deadly virus. In this condition, we are the ones who are the most affected country in the world. So we should think every time before we go out of our houses, and we also should remember that there are people whom you are loving and they always care for you and have feelings for you and always think whenever you go out that are you safe or not. So always we should always take this point and take this point in mind and go out of our houses. I have an example. I feel that it is relevant to this my views, so I am sharing it. There's a principle in chemistry we all have heard, I think, that whenever pressure is applied to a substance, it changes into another thing. So I have one example for that. We all know diamonds, yes? So these are the most valuable and precious items when they are mined out of the mines. But when these diamonds in the initial form are just rocks and people don't take a notice of it. But when the earth starts putting up its inner pressure, these rocks start to take the shape of diamond, and it takes many years to form a diamond. And after that they are mined out of the mines. At the mining time, they are in the complete form as the diamonds. And we most value these diamonds. These are, as we all praise the beauty, elegance, shine of the diamonds, we should also praise the talent, hard work and ability of these doctors who are helping us in this pandemic situation. These doctors were initially not being appreciated before the COVID-19 pandemic. But afterwards, when the COVID was COVID-19 was declared as the world pandemic, these doctors were pressured by this virus cases and many other factors. And when this pressure was above the limit, these doctors came out from the public as the tyrants. So we also respect these doctors and police officers and government officials of each country, not only our own India. And we should cooperate them by staying at our homes. And there are many people in the society that always insult these doctors, and many doctors are getting killed in this situation. I have a question to these people. Why do you think that these doctors are doing this? They are just doing for our safety. They are risking their own lives just for our safety so that we live happy at our homes. So we should all cooperate these doctors and police officers and stay at our homes without violating any government rules. We should cooperate with these people. Here I will conclude my views with these are the unsung heroes of India in the ancient time and in the modern times. Heroes always needs the support of people. So we should support these people and not just neglect them and look down upon them. And these are just few examples. There are many people who are doing this but at a smaller level, and but they are not given much appreciation and recognition. So we also recognize them and also appreciate them for the work they do, as there is no return that are they are not expecting any return from this work they are doing. So we also cooperate with them and just do our part in those activities that we can do. We also help those people who come at our doors just for some help. Even our small step can be a big step in somebody's life, and it can improve that person's life. So, and here I would like to end my speech. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.